Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the Fantasticlean Microfiber Cloth or towel, which is designed as a versatile, eco-friendly alternative to the regular paper towels. And this is actually a twin pack. I got the gray and the pink. I started using this one, as you can see, and this is presented in a convenient tear away format. As you can see, this is perforated right there. This is perfect for those who want the ease of using a towel but don't have to worry about the durability of the towel that you're using, just like you would if you were using the paper towel. Some of the key product features of these is that it comes in a bulk. It's not like those fiber cloth that you would buy single and then you just use them and put them aside. This one comes on a roll. It's 40 pack or 40 of these, ensuring that you always have a fresh cloth on hand for various tasks. It is also convenient because it comes on a roll, which is designed to fit on your standard paper towel holders, just like that, for easy dispensing. So you just pull your sheet and tear that off. Another feature is that it's lint free, non-abrasive, and this is safe for use on sensitive surfaces like your glass, mirrors, electronics, and even your stainless steel. And I have been going to town. As you can see, this one is already open. And it's easy to use without leaving any scratches or streaks on your surfaces. Another feature is that it is highly absorbent. The microfiber technology allows these cloth or towels, if you want to call it that, to soak up the water or the liquid several times their weight, even more than the paper towel would. It's 100% reusable. Can I tell you that is one of my favorite features? I can use this over and over, and I don't have to worry about tossing the paper or grabbing 2 or 3 other sheets because the one that I got before was not enough. This is reusable. It's also machine washable. You can put this in your machine without using any fabric softener. But I would not use this in a washing machine only because I would not have enough for a full load. So I would wash these by hand, but it is machine washable. You don't have to worry about putting it in the machine. This can also be used on multiple surfaces, like I said before. Glass, mirror. Yeah, glass and mirror is basically the same thing. But like your drinking glasses, yes, you can use that on your drinking glasses. You can use this in the bathroom, in the kitchen. You can also use this on your car detailing or dusting around the house. Or even pets. If you have pets and you take them outside and you need to clean off their paws before they come back into the house, this can also be used. Why is this a great buy? The standout feature. Like I mentioned, the perforated areas, it comes on a roll just like your standard paper towels would, and this bridges the gap between your day-to-day cleaning rags and disposable towels, paper towels. Now, if you're looking for a product that will help to reduce household waste while still maintaining a grab and go effect, I can tell you guys, let me share a secret with you. The moment I got these, I started cleaning because it just gives you that let's go feel. I started cleaning the countertop, and I'll show you that in a bit. I started cleaning the countertop. I started cleaning my refrigerator. I started cleaning my microwave. I just went to town cleaning. And my favorite part is, this is pink. As I mentioned before, one quick tip, don't use a fabric softener. If you're going to put this in the washing machine, do not use fabric softener because that interferes with the microfibers on the cloth and cause them not to be absorbent over time. Now, let me go show you how I have been using my Fantasticlean microfiber cloth. One other way that I have been using this is in my crafting. Now, as a crafter, you know that you're always grabbing for tissue, grabbing for a piece of cloth that you have nearby to clean up spills, to clean up the paint. This has come in so handy. I can tear this off, keep one beside me, wipe my hand, wipe the surface, wipe off or distressing or something. This is perfect for you if you are a crafter. Another way that you can use the Fantasticlean Microfiber. So here we are in my kitchen, and here is our roll of microfiber cloth, and I'm going to peel one off just like that. Place that over there, and here I have some mess on the counter here. It's just coffee. I'm gonna clean that off. There it is. And this is my stainless steel convection oven. Since I use this one on the counter, I'm gonna place that aside, and then I'm going to use another one for the stainless section on our convection oven. And you can have multiple of these for different surface areas. This one, I will only use this one on our kitchen appliances. And here is another stainless steel appliance, my same stainless steel surface cleaner and my surface microfiber cloth. And I'm going to do the same for this appliance. You can spray it on here or you can spray it on the cloth. I do it both ways sometimes. And then I'm going to show you how I use it in the bathrooms. Here we are in our guest bathroom. I've already cleared the counter. And of course, another rag. And you can easily just wash that out. And then if I'm gonna clean the glass, I can either use the same cloth and clean the glass, or I can use another fresh one with the Windex cleaner, but I'm just gonna use this to clean. I always give the scriptures before the final reveal, and this video is no different. So today's scripture is Psalm 51 verses 2 and 7. O wash me, cleanse me from this guilt. Let me be pure again. Sprinkle me with the cleansing blood, and I shall be clean again. Wash me, and I shall be whiter than snow. So there you have it, my friend. If you are looking to level up your cleaning game, I would highly recommend that you pick up the Fantasticlean Microfiber cleaning cloth. You can get them single or double. I do want to thank Fantasticlean for sending me this product for review. If you find this very helpful, go ahead and hit a like on this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you are paper towel team or you are microfiber team. I am microfiber team. But I hope that you enjoyed this video today. Let me know down below what you think about this. A link will be in the description box for you, so you can check that out. And if you enjoy content like these, I do have reviews as well as DIY crafts on my channel. So if you enjoy the reviews, there is a playlist with all of the products that I have reviewed in the past. You can check that out. This is it, my friend. Let me know down below how you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. And there you have it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more creative projects like these. And tap that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. Need more inspiration? Click right here for other fun DIYs. Happy crafting, stay safe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.